Now see beta, exercise 15E, as you had done 15D, the same type of questions are there in 15E. That is the separable method to solve differential equation. Separate x and x in one direction and y in one direction, and then on integrating. So such type of question number 4. dy by dx equals to e to the power y plus x plus e to the power y into x square. Now see here, they are not separable. X and y are in the mixture form, or we can say that they are in complex form. So how will you make them separable? See here, e to the power y plus x. What it means? When base are same, then powers are added. So we can write e to the power y plus x as e to the power y into e to the power x plus e to the power y into x square. Take e to the power y as a common, so it is e to the power x plus x square. Now see, dy is, separate them, y in one direction and x in one direction, and dy and dx are in the numerator. So e to the power y in the denominator equals to e to the power x plus x square into dx. Now see, on integrating, so e to the power minus y dy equals to e to the power x plus x square dx. Now see, integration of e to the power minus y is minus e to the power minus y. Integration of e to the power x is x, e to the power x, and x cube upon 3 plus c. Then what about, it's okay, that will be your solution. E to the power minus y equals to minus e to the power x minus x cube upon 3 minus c. This will be the solution of the question 4. In the similar manner, you can do all the questions of this type. Now I can show you question number 10. What is it? X 2y minus 3. Wait a second, beta. Question number 10. It is x into 2y minus 3 dx plus x square plus 1 dy equals to 0. So how can we do? X 2y minus 3 dx equals to minus of, this term will be in addition, shift in the right side, so it will become 0 minus, so it is minus of x square plus 1 dy. Shift x in one side and y in one side, that is make them separable, so it is x upon x square plus 1 dx equals to minus 1 upon 2y minus 3 dy. On integrating, it is x upon x square plus 1 x upon x square plus 1 equals to minus 1 upon 2y minus 3 dy, and here we have dx integration. So how will it become integrated? Put x square plus 1 equals to t, so it is 2x dx equals to dt, so it will become 1 by 2 dt upon t, and here on integration you get minus log of 2y minus 3, and differentiation of 2y minus 3 is 2, so it is whole upon 2 plus c, and it is half log t. Put the value of t, the log of x square plus 1 minus half log of 2y minus 3 plus c. That will be your answer. इसको हम थोड़ा सा और सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. आपको होमोजीनियस और इन सब में बताया गया होगा, बताया जाएगा कि जब भी दो टर्म्स अगर आपके लॉग में आते हैं तो हम सी को भी लॉग सी लिखकर सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं, पर इन क्वेश्चंस में आप यहाँ तक ही उसको सेपरेबल में छोड़ सकते हैं. तो दैट विल बी योर आंसर. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. व्हाट इज इट? Question number 14. dy by dx equals to 1 plus x whole y upon y minus 1 whole x. Now see, separate them. So it is x upon 1 plus x dx equals to y upon y minus 1 dy. So on integrating, it will become integrating. They are not integrating directly, so we make them in a logical way, equals to integration of y minus 1 dy. What will be the logical way? Here we have 1 plus x, so make it 1 plus x by adding 1 and subtracting 1. 1 plus और 1 minus कर दीजिए. इसी तरह here we have y minus 1 the denominator, so subtract 1 and adding 1 and then separate them. So it is 1 plus x upon 1 plus x dx minus 1 upon 1 plus x dx equals to y minus 1 upon y minus 1 dy plus 1 upon y minus 1 dy. So it is 1 integration of 1 is x plus integration of 1 upon 1 plus x, it is log of 1 plus x equals to integration of y, 1 minus y will be cancelled out, so it is y plus log of y minus 1 plus c. That will be your answer. In the similar manner, we can do the remaining questions. Let's see question number 18. 18, it is log of dy by dx equals to 3x plus 4y. So eliminating log on from both the sides. Log को eliminate कैसे करते हैं? Taking anti log on both the side. As I had told you earlier कि anti log जो होता है वो e to the power होता है. तो e to the power taking anti log on both the sides. That is e to the taking exponential बोल लीजिए आप. Exponential on both the sides. अदरवाइज हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो एक्सपोनेंशियल लेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा डी वाई बाई डी एक्स, और यहाँ एक्सपोनेंशियल लेंगे तो ई टू द पावर 3x प्लस 4y. सो इट विल बिकम डी वाई बाई डी एक्स equals to e to the power 3x into e to the power 4y. When base are same, there is a multiplication in between them, then the power should be added. So on separating, 1 upon e to the power 4y dy, and here it is e to the power 3x dx. On integrating, it will become integration of e to the power minus 4y, बिकॉज 4y डिनोमिनेटर में है, उसको न्यूमरेटर में शिफ्ट करेंगे, dy equals to e to the power 3x dx. What is the integration of it? e to the power minus 4y upon minus 4 equals to e to the power 3x upon 3 plus c. That will be your answer. Shift in the right side, so it is e to the power 3x upon 3 plus e to the power minus 4y upon 4 plus c equals to 0. Now see one more question in which values are given as we had done in the previous exercise, जिसमें आपको वैल्यूज़ दे रखी है तो आप कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. इस टाइप का एक क्वेश्चन है, वो देख लीजिए 25. सो इट इज डी वाई बाई डी एक्स इक्वल्स टू वाई 10x. what you have given? y equals to 1, x equals to 0. So dy by dx, so it is dy upon y equals to 10x dx. Now see dy by y equals to 10x. On integrating, integration of dy upon y equals to integration of 10x dx. So it is log y equals to log sec x plus c. On putting y equals to 1, give it 1, y equals to 1, x equals to 0. So it is log y, log 1, log sec 0 plus c. Log 1 is 0, sec 0 is 1 equals to. So log 1 plus c. Log 1 again 1, so c equals to 0. Putting in 1. So log y equals to log sec x. Remove log from both the sides, so y will be equals to sec x. That will be the solution.